Mr. Michael Chaikel. It is my great honor to introduce Michael Chaikel, a true honorary Jamaican with deep roots in Negril. Who is from Negril? Anybody from Negril? His love for Jamaica started in his teenage years when he first heard reggae music and dance hall. In a moment, we'll play one of his favorite songs from back then. Michael's journey with the JAHJAH Foundation began with his love for Jamaica and a desire to use his skills as a physician assistant to give back. He reached out to us at JAHJAH, and since then, he has become an invaluable member of the JAHJAH family. Michael is a doer, always brimming with ideas and suggestions. He's not only a team player, but also someone who supports us at every single level, far beyond his medical expertise. Whether it's a fundraiser, whether it's a medical mission, or any community project, Michael is the first to ask what's needed. Not only that, he's arriving early to help in any way he can. From assisting with the dental clinic to working on the GEMS Negril initiative, he's hands-on and the one we rely on to ensure everything runs smoothly. Michael, Sir Michael, where is he? Your commitment, your generosity, and unwavering support make you truly deserving of this honor. Please join me in welcoming Michael Chaikel to the stage to receive the JAHJAH Angel Award.
Just so you guys know it, Michael chose that song, that's his favorite song, okay?
I wonder what the agony mean.
I didn't choose that song. So as many of you just heard, my first name is Michael. I'm a member of the JAHJAH Foundation. I think I've been a member for about 8 years. I am a PA. I practice emergency medicine on the eastern shore of Maryland. And I've always wanted to give back to Jamaica. My love for Jamaica began when I was a child. My first album that was given to me, a music album, was Bob Marley Legends. When I was 15 years old, I started working at McDonald's, and my general manager then was a Jamaican, and that's all I heard was reggae music. And probably The Pinchers and Agony was one of the songs that he played. Then in PA school, one of my surgical attendings was actually Dr. Julius Garvey, who was the son of Marcus Garvey. So I felt honored to work alongside him and learn from him. So I'm sure many of you kind of are here just to support Jamaica. I fell in love with Jamaica, the people, the citizens, the music, the vibes, the culture, the food, the weather. It's just, it feels like home to me. And I appreciate all of you being here today. It means a lot. The JAHJAH Foundation could not function without all of you. Your support here and future support is definitely needed. And I just want to thank you, and I wish everybody a good evening and enjoy yourself. Every mickle make a muckle.
Every mickle makes a muckle.